In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Autopay on T-Mobile. If you're tired of manually paying your phone bill each month, setting up Autopay is a convenient way to ensure you never miss a payment. Let's get started by opening the T-Mobile app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app, open it and log into your T-Mobile account using your username and password. Having your login credentials handy will make this process smoother. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Manage option. This will lead you to a variety of management settings for your account. From there, select Manage Autopay. This is where you will have the control to automate your monthly billing process. After selecting Manage Autopay, you will see the option to add or connect a payment method. This step is crucial because it's where you'll decide which bank account or credit card will be used for your future payments. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to input your payment details. Make sure your payment method is up to date to avoid any issues with processing your bill. It's also a good idea to double-check your billing information to ensure accuracy. Once you've added your payment method, you can enable Autopay for your account. By turning on Autopay, your monthly bill will automatically be deducted from your chosen payment method on the due date. This means no more worrying about late fees or remembering to log in every month to pay your bill. It's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal that can save you both time and stress. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Autopay on T-Mobile. With Autopay enabled, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your monthly bill will be taken care of automatically. If you ever need to make changes to your payment method or want to turn off Autopay, simply return to the Manage Autopay section in the app and make your adjustments as needed. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you find the Autopay feature as convenient as it's designed to be. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials